that's Glen's house over there, and you go down this banking, and he tells us that there's an old car down here, and he reckons it's an old Morris 1000. So we've got to go down this steep slope to get to it, and I think it's just buried away down over there. I'm filming you, you're filming me. Road slip. Right in hell. So it looks as though it's been rolled down this banking and it's come to rest down here. And we've got Fraser inside having a bit spotch. And he thinks he's found a number plate. It's just been tipped down here, completely destroyed.
It's just completely collapsed.
Right by the river. No road in sight. The axles come up through the back window. Have you found something in there? Usha. Let's have a look. Fairy liquid. The bottle's still not finished yet. The lad's waiting on his rocket.
Dad, I really want to make a spaceship with that fairy bottle, but it's taken ages to run out.
There is a number plate there, so you can see the front bumper. I'm going to see if we can get the number plate out. Trying not to cut his cell in the way. I might need to give him a hand. So there's no engine in it, there's a gearbox, and the number plate, you can just see it. It's MXY 42. Oh, look at the old steering knuckle as well. Springs and drum brakes. Oh. This would have been somebody's pride and joy one day. I suppose a lot of memories would be created in this. Have a look here. So it's got like an Austin 3-spoke steering wheel, but I'm not sure if it's an Austin. It's like had white dials on it. And it's certainly a bullnose, with the headlamps on the wings, I'd imagine. But it's crumpled away down into an old wreck here.